completely managed by Arun Noel Victor. And I know none of your queries were unanswered. And he is the person who is responsible for that. He made sure that none of your queries are unanswered. Thanks a lot, Arun. Harini Vasu, lead for registrations. So if you are all here, you should be thankful to her because she has been spending 2 sleepless nights to select all of you to All India Student Congress. Mukund Srinivasan, but unfortunately he is not able to make it because he has been hospitalized due to some serious health issues. But he has been helping us with the Society Student Congresses as well as with the registrations of the All India Student Congress. So give a big hand to him. Two techno geeks who helped us from the beginning until today and who are still assisting us with the online webcast, Prabhunathan and Shivaganesh. The wonderful website that you saw, the awesome website, especially with the travel features. I do not know how many of you visited the travel page, but that travel page was awesome. The entire website was awesome. The leads for our IT department. And they had been doing wonderful job on the webcast as well, coordinating with our vendors, Private Information Technologies Limited. Madhuri Narayan. Here she is. The sponsorship committee lead who had been helping us with the sponsorships inside IEEE and outside IEEE as well. Ramesh Rajesh and Anup Teja. Media and publicity. You can go to the website of Hindu, you can go to the website of Business Line, you can go to the website of Times of India, and you will find this news featured in today's edition. Business Line, it was yesterday's edition. Hindu, it was today's edition. And Times of India, it was today's edition as well. So tomorrow there are a couple of other newspapers like Trinity Mirror who will be dropping by over here to cover the entire event. We are also having Pudhiya Thalamurai covering the event on the last day, and for the Society Student Congress where the Technology Innovation Showcase is being done. The reason behind all these media people reaching out to us is only Ramesh Rajesh and Anup Teja. And Anup Teja has been going a way forward, taking that extra step to help all the committees over here during these 2 days. Thanks a lot, guys. Krishna Karumanchi. Okay, he's not here, but probably you will be meeting him before day 3 because he'll be running around along with you with the tablets to get your feedbacks. Okay, with this, we are coming to the end of the IEEE team organizing committee. Now, we are going to call upon the most important people from Amrita who had been running around the campus. This is a very huge campus, and I know that their knees will be aching by the end of today. They've been running around the entire campus. Mani Bharat. So can you announce that?
Yeah. So it is Mani Bharat K, Rahul Goyal. It is Purnima Janathanan, Vitata, and Jashvita. And we don't have Niven Anton with us, who is again with some medical emergencies.
Koti. This guy had been assisting you with your registration kits. He had been running around the vendors to collect all these registration kits and helping us around. Yep.
Okay, the Amrita volunteers, you won't believe they have their Google interview coming this Sunday.
And the Cisco interview coming this
Saturday. Periodicals on Monday. So periodicals chhod do. Google and Cisco, I wouldn't do this had I been in your place, guys. So
exactly. And yesterday I had been telling Rahul and all these guys who are attending the Google placements to take off today, go back to their rooms and send someone in the place of them. But still they have been running around to making sure that the awards night is going to be such a gala over there tonight. So thanks a lot, guys. Hats off to you.
And last but not least, we have here our program co-chair, Mr. Barnabas Muthu. But a few things to mention. He is a kind of bigger guy than us. He's 3 years elder to us, and he's working with Wipro Technologies. He works 24/7 for Wipro, and and parallelly he works 24/7 for IEEE2 with us. He the 3-day schedule which you have with us, in your hand with awesome set of speakers. He's the one who got all the speakers on board with us for ASC, and he's been having a 1 week sleepless night, for getting the speakers, on time here, taking care of their speaker travel, accommodation, all those things. And if the whole team is able to organize the ASC with the hell lot of Entu and all those things, he's the one showing us full supportiveness and encouraging us to be all behind this. So a big thanks to Barnabas on behalf of the organizing team.
I know why he is telling that, because I am the only guy in the team whom he can pick on. Okay, there are a few more volunteers from Amrita who have been running around. I would want to invite all of them onto the dais. Okay, Raghavendran B, lead transportations. Kaushik, Ajay, Calvin, Sudhir, Rajkumar, the transportation volunteers. Okay, Vaishnavi, Pavitra, G. Niveda, and Varshini. Okay, they're not here. Probably we'll honor them over there in the Pandal when we do the awards night. I mean, when we distribute the awards. And there is one very special person who is very good with numbers. And today, if you are all here, it is because he has been maintaining the accounts properly. And how many times, no matter how many times I ask him to tell me the numbers or give me the accounts repeatedly, send me number of emails, even at the verge of, even at the wee hours of night, he will do it. Sharon Roy Albert. I'm not sure if there are any PES Congress delegates, CS Congress delegates, but there are a few PES Congress volunteers and CS Congress program coordinators. There are 2 people, Venus Anthony. He is the PES program coordinator. He's been doing all the program arrangements for the PES India Council Student Congress. Mr. Vikash Kaushik. He has been working for the CS India Council Student Congress. And I'm never going to forget those calls that you made late in the evenings, asking me to send emails. Yeah, midnight. Thanks a lot, guys. And one earnest request from me. I request all of you to stand up and give a thunder-breaking hand claps for this entire team. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. And over to the Amrita team for the cultural evening. Enjoy your music or whatever it is.